Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video will show you how to make a wedding sign using Canva. Do you want to make wedding signs on Canva? Stay tuned because this video is for you. So just like every other Canva video we have, Mac, PC, laptop, go to your favorite browser, whether it's Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, whatever, and click on the search bar here and type in wedding sign. As you can see here, we've already typed that for you. And as you can see here, we just click wedding sign on the search, right? And it says wedding sign templates. So there's a lot of them here that you can use. Different versions, different types. Thematically, they look a lot similar to each other. But if you wanna edit them, you can. Or you can also make your own. So yeah, it's that simple. And then just when you're done, you just save them over here. So yeah, it's pretty simple. It's that easy. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.